Hi guys, it's Weedy, and I just wanted to, I don't know, maybe somebody will, this will help somebody or not. If you're new to working with oil paints and you have one of these nice, this is called Silicoil. I really can't tip it, but there you see, you've got a Silicoil, which is just a nice little metal coil in your odorless mineral spirits, terpenoid, whatever it is you're using to clean your brushes. And this is really great because you can dip your brush in and swirl it around and it gets the pigment off. And the pigment, a lot of times, again, I really can't tilt it, but the pigment is going to settle down here. Maybe I can tilt enough without spilling because I got a painting I'm working on underneath here, but you can see that it will settle. And that's great because, then your terpenoid or odorless mineral spirits, whatever you're using, is relatively clean here at the top. But what isn't clean are the coils, alright? And you can see there I was dipping in a paper towel to clean off my palette, and I thought, oh wait, let me share this with some people. So, or newbies who don't know. So the pigment settles on top of your coil, and if you're using that same color family, it's maybe not such a big deal. But if you really need your brush to be clean, okay, and of course you're going to dip it in the mineral spirits or whatever, and then you're going to wipe it off, clean it off. But I always take just a bristle brush, and before I start, I go in and clean my coils off, okay? And yeah, some of it's going to try to resettle, but most of it is going to go to the bottom. So this is especially important whenever I'm doing paintings that have vastly different color backgrounds or something else. So I just kind of run my brush around and try to knock off that pigment and cause it to go down and settle. So still some color swirling around in the top there, but you can tell there's a definite, your coil should be nice and clean and shiny. So I take my bristle brush and run it around. I don't know, maybe that will help somebody who is new to oil painting and you just got one of these great little coils. I can see pigment starting to settle. So I've got other things to do. I may let it settle a little bit and then wipe it off again. Just a quick tip when you're working with your oils. Okay guys, bye.